Hello and welcome. My name is Sonam, and I taught middle school language arts for over a decade and sat on the board of the National Council of Teachers of English. Now, my passion is helping teachers make language arts in the middle school classroom more hands-on and movement-based. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 great read-alouds for Hispanic Heritage Month and activities to go with them that you can use right away. If you like these activities, please take a look at the description box below and you can get them for free. Dreamers by Yuyi Morales celebrates the immigrant experience, resilience, and culture. As you read the book, draw a T-chart. Label the left column dreams and the right column as strengths. As you read, ask students, what dreams did the narrator have and what strengths helped her succeed? As you record student answers, ask your students how their strengths are helping them achieve their personal dreams and goals. Then students can do the hands-on collage of dreams and strengths activity. They reflect on their own dreams and strengths and create a visual collage with symbols, drawings, or even magazine cutouts. So in preparation for this activity, make sure you print out the worksheet that I have for you below, and you'll need to get some magazines to help you, or use an online program like Canva where your students can create their own collages. This activity is reflective and arts-based, and I love it because it reminds students that every human being has a dream. In Islandborn by Junot Díaz, the main character Lola has an assignment at school where she has to talk about the place where she has come from. And she doesn't remember the island where she came from because when she left, she was so little. I think she was just 1 year old. So in order to understand where she has come from, she gathers memories from her family and friends. And I love this book because I think there are a lot of kids in our classes who have heritage that they don't necessarily remember, and they have to do a little bit of digging about it to find out a little bit more about their identities. For a whole group mini lesson, draw a simple map of a familiar place on the board, like your school or playground, and ask students, what memories do you have of this place? Write their ideas around the map. As you read, discuss how Lola gathers memories so that she can better understand her home. After that, students can do the memory map activity. Choose a location from their own life, interview family or friends about memories, and create a visual map showing all the memories. This activity helps students practice interviewing skills, gathering details, and synthesizing ideas. This map is also a great way to kick off a narrative writing unit because as students look at their maps, they can pinpoint small moment stories that they can develop into entire narratives. In Alma and How She Got Her Name by Juana Martinez-Neal, the main character Alma learns all about the origins of her name. She learns about the stories behind each part of her name and her family history. For a whole group mini lesson, write a name on the board. It doesn't have to be the name of a person. It could be the name of the school or your city, and ask students what symbols, colors, or patterns represent this name. After reading the book, students create an identity name tag. They'll write their name in large letters and decorate it with symbols or patterns that reflect their identity. And they can even add 2 to 3 story connections along with that reflection. It encourages students to not only appreciate their own identities, but to celebrate that of their peers. If you would like all 3 activities ready to print, please click the link below. I have student instructions, graphic organizers, templates, and examples to guide your students through each of these activities with these very meaningful books. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for some more literacy ideas for middle school, and I'll see you next time.